Have you ever stared at someone working and wondered, are they super productive or just really good at looking busy? Well, today we are solving that mystery with two powerful tools, time study and work sampling. One uses a stopwatch, the other uses surprise attacks. In today's video, we'll break down two very important techniques used in industrial engineering and productivity improvement: time study and work sampling, also known as work study methods. Whether you're from a manufacturing background, operations, or just starting out in industrial engineering, this is something you must understand. Let's start with the broader term, which is work study. Work study is basically the science of analyzing and improving work methods. And, setting time standards for a job. It consists of two main techniques. First, method study, which is all about how work is done, and second, time study or work measurement, which is about how long work takes. Today, we're focusing on two methods used under work measurement: time study and work sampling. First, let's talk about time study. Time study is a stopwatch-based method. You observe one operator performing a specific task repeatedly, and you time each cycle using a stopwatch. So, the goal here is to calculate the standard time needed to complete a task, and also to identify any delays, inefficiencies, or even excess motion that might be slowing things down. It's best used when, the task is repetitive, the cycle time is pretty short, and the work content stays consistent. For example, you might use time study for packing items, machine loading and unloading, or say, assembly operations. Now let's talk about work sampling. Unlike time study, work sampling is not continuous. It's based on random observations at intervals. You observe the operator or process at various times during the day and, just record what activity is happening. Over many samples, you get a percentage breakdown of how time is spent. That includes value-added work, delay or idle time, non-value-added work, and setup, cleaning, or waiting. So work sampling is best used when the work is non-repetitive. It's also really handy if you want to study a group of people or, multiple tasks at once. And if you don't need the exact cycle time but just want to see overall trends, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, let's look at an example. Suppose you're studying 10 helpers across a shift to figure out what percentage of their time they actually spend helping operators versus, just waiting around. All right, let's compare both side by side and see how they stack up. So, time study gives you precise cycle time, while work sampling gives you a big picture view of how time is being used. So which one should you use? So, use time study if you want to set standard time, analyze a repeated operation, or improve a cycle-based process. And use work sampling if you want manpower utilization data, general work pattern insights, or if you need to study support staff or multi-activity roles. Both methods are powerful, and sometimes they're used together for a complete picture. Hope this video helped you understand the difference between time study and work sampling. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want real-life examples or Excel templates for these studies. Until next time, keep improving processes and keep learning.